Washing your hair with rice water is a cheap, easy, and effective way to improve the look and health of your hair. Rice water contains a particular carbohydrate that reportedly minimizes follicle damage and increases the shine, strength, and length of your hair. 1. You can use rice water as a weekly hair treatment, or rinse with it every time you shampoo. Whether you purchase rice water from the store or make it yourself at home, it is simple to incorporate it into your hair washing routine. Soak half a cup, 64 g, of white or long-grain brown rice in 2 to 3 cups, 0.5 to 0.7 L, of water for 30 minutes. Strain out the rice and use the water to wash your hair. After shampooing, soak your hair in rice water and leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Add rice water to your routine daily, every other day, or once a week. It's up to your preference and the results you wish to achieve. Purchase some rice. While any type of rice will work, the most frequently used are white rice or long-grain brown rice. Whatever you have in the house is fine. Measure out half a cup of rice and rinse it to remove any dust or impurities. Combine the rice with 2 to 3 cups of water in a bowl. Set the bowl aside on the counter and wait. Soak the rice in the water for about 15 to 30 minutes. Let your rice soak until the water takes on a milky, semi-opaque appearance. That milky appearance indicates that some of the rice's inositol has been released into the water. Inositol is a carbohydrate that gives rice water its milky appearance. When used on your hair, some research suggests that inositol helps protect your locks and add shine. Stir the rice water a couple of times while it soaks. Use a spoon or fork to break up any clumps of rice. Once the water has a cloudy or milky look to it, it should be good to go. Strain out the rice and set the water aside. Double-check to make sure that the water does not have any lingering rice in it. Another way to do this is to boil the rice/water mixture. Just follow the same steps as soaking, but use slightly more water and strain out the rice once the water starts to boil. Allow it to cool to room temperature before using. Transfer the rice water into a decorative or practical container. It is now ready to use. Washing your hair with rice water. Shampoo your hair as usual. Be sure to rinse completely with warm water. You may follow your normal conditioning routine, or apply the rice water directly after shampooing. Try each method to see what works best for you. If you don't usually wash your hair every day or have dry hair, to begin with, you may want to skip the shampoo and proceed directly to the rice water. Soak your hair with rice water after rinsing. Use a cup or a squeeze bottle to apply the rice water to your scalp. Then, thoroughly work it into your scalp and down the length of your strands. You do not necessarily need to be in the bath or shower to apply the rice water. In fact, many people soak their hair in a basin or sink. It's up to you. Leave the rice water in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the inositol in the rice water to fully coat each strand. After you rinse out the rice water, your hair will have a thin layer of inositol coating each strand, helping protect it from damage and breakage. Rinse out all of the rice water using cold water. Gently comb or brush your hair to remove any tangles or knots. Now you are ready to style your hair for the day. Incorporate rice water into your regular hair care routine. Washing with rice water can be used as part of a daily routine, every other day, or once a week. It really depends on your personal preference and the kind of results you hope to achieve. Many people find that washing with rice water every day can be a bit time-consuming and choose to use it less frequently and still get great results. Find the right routine that works for you. Glad you enjoyed the video. Thanks for taking the time to watch it.